Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take the brief look on the gold market. Recent few sessions, you could see that gold doesn't need actually detailed updates just because performance tends not very fast. Market mostly coiling around the same top of the COP target, but still this standing flat, stubborn standing around the top also tells us something, that gold market shows the strength. And if you could see reaction, for example, on the euro currency, on recent statistics, not only on the consumption expenditures, but in general on the statistics of this week, including numbers from the European Union concerning the strength of the economy in France, the level of the inflation in the European Union and other in particular countries. Taking a look at the gross domestic product revision in the United States, at the consumption and some other indicators, you could see that euro has shown more or less significant downside action, at least on the intraday charts. On the gold market, we do not see it. So gold shows significant strength and ignoring all this stuff. Because, well, theoretically, numbers that we've got suggest some strength in the United States dollars just because economy looks stronger than many thought about this. I mean, the gross domestic product in the United States, consumption expenditures, inflation in the consumption, it's not rising, and it was together with the expectations, in a row with expectations, which means that with this high rate that we have, inflation still stands stubborn. It is not decreasing, which indirectly suggests that rate should stay on a high level for longer, which potentially supports the dollar. That explains why the euro currency recently dropped. But on the gold market, yes, we see some minor reaction on the data, but it was very small. So on a 4-hour time frame chart, we do not need even to change the picture because mostly stands the same. In the current situation, I am not even sure that market will reach even minor level around 2006, 2011 that we have specified previously, and that it retest will the top. The only hope that gold market usually shows the deep retracements typically, and well, in retesting of the previous top seems more or less reasonable. At the same time, as in the beginning of the week, we have specified that 2050 probably will be the top for this current week, and you can see that we were correct on this suggestion that indeed target that we have here in the COP on the daily chart and daily overbought that was here in the beginning of the week and actually has stopped upward action. The market just stands flat. Now returning back to our pattern on the lower time frame, I recall what we talked about, this ABCD, and the potential OP already has been completed. Market shows the bounce, and theoretically we have chances to go to the XOP, but at the same time, why I think that gold could reestablish upward action immediately is just because the way how market behaves. So it is very gradual, slow and choppy action with this downside channel. This actually start looking like the flag, which is potentially bullish pattern. And with this environment currently, it might happen that market just completed this ABCD, giving us guarded steeple to buy, right? And will just continue upward performance. This is also possible here. So maybe today makes no sense to make some decisions today, Friday, and see what will happen. But in general, this type of the action, when the market shows really small and weak reaction on potentially bearish factors, because dollar has raised yesterday, but it makes almost no impact on the gold. It means that gold right now has its own driving factors. And well, let's keep watching for the 2011 area, but with this reaction on the recent statistics, the chances that market could start rising again right from current levels have increased. So that's what we could see currently on the gold.